Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Mitsubishi Challenger, stock number 5998. This ran from the 12th 2009 to the 12th 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4D56 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear door, 2 dents. Right front door, 6 dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic manual gear shifter. Factory single stack CD player. Heater AC controls. Display cluster. Interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,